Pi. In this video, I will show you how to install TwisterOS on Raspberry Pi 4. In this OS image, you will get an OS 10 and Windows 10 theme and some useful pre-installed applications and games. Step 1. Open a browser and go to the Raspbian X website. Then download the Raspbian X image and patch. Step 2. Once download is complete, open Balena Etcher, then flash the Raspbian X image to your SD card. Step 3. Remove the SD card from your PC and insert it to your Pi SD card slot. Then copy the patch to other USB drive. Then power on the Pi and wait for the OS to fully boot. Step 4. When the Raspbian X OS is booted, log in using Pi user and Raspberry for the password. Insert the USB drive with the patch and browse to the patch location. Then unzip TwisterOSv1-1Patch and install the patch. Execute the command below. Step 5. Done. You can now use TwisterOS. You can switch between Raspbian X and iRaspbian themes by clicking the switch icon on the desktop. You can also play retro games. Chromium Browser Media Edition is also pre-installed so you can watch streaming sites like Netflix. Commander Pi is also pre-installed for easy Raspberry Pi 4 GUI system management. To switch to Windows 10 theme, just click the Switch to Nighthawk icon on the OS X desktop. Then re-log in using the Pi credentials. That's it. TwisterOS has been installed. If you like this video, kindly support this channel by hitting like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next videos.